Kublai pe baro kipapet ikan ko kubor jongi upet ngo cable news. Kimat bakong san jong ko kubor men takajan mit kilong. Lada kalem ke MEECL in kalem ke Sorkaru on ke Sinjuk Association of Power Engineers ke MEECL. Inchna penbha ke Sorkar ya Shihaja Praspa Taliki School ki Jaka Sumar bat ke police station. Wanjungo Menteri Kena ke Sorkar Pedeng Ukrishan Pal Gurjar ya ke ribhoi ban pentikna ya ke jengtrekam hok ki skim ke Sorkar Pedeng. Penkup buram bat ai kublai ke FKGGP ya uba Wellbirth Rani. Pelat Menteri Rangba ya ke web portal ke Meghalaya State Public Services Delivery Commission. Bat hadin arsnem ke jingwanan shop ke klam po biang ke leknam biat den klam ke sen ra jawai. Banyata halor kijing bat kiwei di kimat ke biadai bat kabha kamiat jong ki para nong tre hakatnat Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited ki engineer jong ka nikatnat ki bahapo ke senjuk jong ka Association of Power Engineers ka MEECL Meghalaya haka katsan tarik menta unai tung arajar arpoar kala penlong ya ka dor barba jong ka ha ususo tham auditorium Shillong. Hakane ke jialang le keren ru halor kimat ke bedai ba ke jing penjana ya ke jing sakri jongki syaki pai ba. Habakran hakino pathai kubor hadian balawai ke jialang kino yalam jong ke senjuk Association of Power Engineers MEECL keliyathu bahakane ke jialang le keren halor ki babun kimat ke bedai ba ke kya ka shon jong kino trai jong ke nikatanat kamtam ha ke bedai ba ke tulom bat ki wedi ki jing siu ba ke de banyo bat nalor kanela ya keren ru halor ki wedi kimat ke bedai ban bat ka bha kamiat jongki. Hendrai klem daklet ru ya kecing jengki pai ba ha kan nekasi le keren ru halor ki babun ki phang ke biadai ba kecing penjanai kecing syakri yo pai ba ke jala uba arjud khar ubalam khamat ya kan nekasenjuk jengki nong trai ki batrai ha MEECL ulong bawat la ha kan nekasnem ke jala Meghalaya kalayo slap ha bat kala biang ha kecing shisha ban pin mi boarding hendrai kalong da khongpong namar ki pai ba kidang hap ban mat ya kecing pin lip ding bon kenta ha ka sisi kumta halor kan nekecing ko kesenjuk kala taipom bakadai kecing ko jong kabor badai kmi bat penya kumta halor kan ne kesenjuk kala dawa badai ban pha tokit benya bha ban lap ya ka daw tanrai namar wat la ka jala kala dep sedang ya ke project pen mi boarding bathamai hendrai ki ko trekam ki kor ki bor bala dep pendai thamai ru kim trekam satya bat lahap ban penlun bon klur tengka kapisa.
At the same time, as a responsible association, we have moved a step ahead, and that is henceforth to make the policy makers, our management, accountable. We can no more be as silent spectators and a party to this. Recently, in the meetings of the government, some top officials mentioned that in Meghalaya we are facing rain, we are receiving rain every day, but the unfortunate part is the generation is less and we have to encounter load shedding during this period of monsoon. It has really hit us and we really feel bad for that. As a president of this association, I take this blame for not making our management accountable. We have a generation capacity, hydro generation capacity of more than 350 megawatt. But for whatever reason, especially during the rainy season, we could not optimize our generation. And recently, we have seen in our power stations functioning at 30, 40, 50% level. We do expect that during the monsoon period, we maximize our generation. And through this medium, as an association, we demand that a thorough inquiry be constituted. Maximum. Why a new power stations? There is a failure. Why the generating sets of the power stations which are newly installed are non-functional? When you spend crores and crores of rupees for such installation of machines, is our own people involved? We want a thorough inquiry. As members of these associations, each one of us sustain our family as long as this organization live and sustain. The moment this organization collapses, our family also will be dragged to the street. Before such thing happens, we want to take an extreme step. If any of our members, if any top officials of MECL are found to be indulging in accumulating wealth individually at the cost of this organization, we demand that strict action be taken. Will not be taken. You have seen that crores and crores, thousands of crores of loans are being taken in the name of strengthening of distribution, of generation, of transmission. Yes, we do need to improve, but not loans which are not required. Unnecessary loans. One day, we will take you to the field to show you whether such infrastructure are really required or not. It's high time that as a responsible citizens of this state, we have to start from ourselves to clean up the mess.
Kenek senjuk kelapan paru kejing persya halor kejing Shimram Kha jongka corporation. Ha kebiadai pat bat kejing temu ke sorkar ban ai kontrak sabar ya ke billing system kenek senjuk kala persya da ke badawa baladai ban thau dala ke jong ke IT wing ke ban trekam lait lot kenang bagi samla ke jela ke bala pendap ya kejing poli jongki ha kenek aliang ken yokam. Ha kebiadai ba kejing duna kinung trei ha ke subdivision uba arju dekhar ulong ba kakta ya ke hok jongki khendak ngut kinung trei ki ba trei ha ke subdivision namar ka kam kala kham khya ya ki namar ha ke jaka ban trei de ke san phausan ngut lahap ban trei tang da ki khat san ngut la ne don ki ba don ha do lai phau ngut.
About the billing system, I'm not going to comment on that, but I'm telling you, we have a competent IT engineers. We have our inbuilt billing system, which is called ELBIS and other billing system. Instead of empowering them more, supporting them financially to be able to have our own billing system completely for almost 6 lakhs consumers, rather, you want to hand over and outsource it. So, here also, we demand that it's high time MECL should have a full-fledged IT wing. We function independently, A to Z, on the functioning of MECL, and also we don't want to derail the process what is going on now, because at the top they will get the opportunity to say that because of this derailment we cannot improve. So our demand today is that resolution which we have passed is to immediately have an independent IT wing of MECL, and also to handhold our engineers so that by 1st of April 2025 we have our own billing system. You will see our lower category employees, be it a lineman, a jugalee, an ES, a junior engineer, as an assistant engineer, an assistant executive engineer, and executive engineers in the field. They are working under constrained conditions with limited manpower. The management has violated all the norms of the Factories Act, of the Worker Acts. They have violated the UN chapter on the working hours of a person, of an employee. This is very serious. Why accident happens? It is very unfortunate. We had to work under constrained conditions. So it's high time we make our management and higher authority accountable. This association won't shy away to file an FIR if there is any shortage of manpower in the future.
Hakabe daipat bat kajing thmu ke sarkar ban bo iki electric charging station yakaba ke sarkar kala thmu ban bo halum jing shahi halor kaniru kane ke senjuk kalapan pau ya kajing persya.
And also, one important thing I would like to bring here is this, that we came to know, yes, this is a Government of India policy, wherein they will have this electric charging station. So, in the state of Meghalaya, there are areas where it is to be executed by Power Grid, which is a central PSUs. So, MECL, in coordination with Power Grid and the government, they have identified some land to be provided to Power Grid for making this electric charging stations. At the same time, the government of Meghalaya also wants to have its own electric charging station. So recently, as association, we came to know that there was an inspection carried out by an IS officer of the government of Meghalaya at Lumjingshai, wherein they have identified the land. I think all of you are very much aware of the land which is just in front of the entry of MECL office. You have seen the beauty, the greenery of MECL office. Now they have identified that land for a setting up of a charging of electric charging station. As association, we oppose to this. We are not opposed to setting up of a electric charging station, but we request the government to find some other locations for setting up this electric charging station, not at Lumjingshai campus.
Menteri Rangba kejala Ukonrat Kongkal Sangma aga khatlai tarik unaitung arhajar arpawar ulalum ye kejialang bat ki Deputy Commissioner batru ki Superintendent of Police kejala hakanong ba shalong bat hakane kesngi kene kejialang kala shim ye karai ban pentrei kam ye ki katto ka ni ki project ban penklan ya karukom a jing sakri hakaliang ka koit ka khya ka pule puthi bat kum juru hakatanat bulet.
Menteri Rangba kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma haka khatlai terik naitung arajar arpuar ulalum ke jingelang bat ki Deputy Commissioner bat ki Superintendent ki Pulit hakanong ba Shillong. Balashim karai ban penbha bat maramotno ki jaka ajing sumar ki skul bat ki Thanat Pulit ki badan hakeleng ki benta jong kejela. Konrad Kongkal Sangma habai keren bikidong patai kubor ulaong baha ke jingelang bat ki Deputy Commissioner ki leta hilor ke jingdo ki jing embryo kajing syak penjulor ki Jakarta bagi jing tai beper na kajing wanan shop ki bor kemariang. Ndre kebakam kongsan pat kelongkum no bandong ki belapen krek lupa ya kajing wanan shop ki bor kemariang haki por banwan. Ulong bagi ladon si hajar praspaatli ki lower primary school jong kesorkar ki belajat rathai. Bat kesorkar kelas mekarai ban penbha bat ban maramot ikini ki skol barok ha kaba enmang kombalai lak ne saulak tengkai kawai ke skol. Kaban kentuk belang ya kajing penbiang ya ko ke boarding elektrik ki syuki bat kimiat. Ukonrat kongkal sangma ulong balarai ru ban maramot bat penbha ya ki PHC bat CHC. Bat ki sub center bat bantau ya ke Police Infrastructure Renovation Fund na ke benta ban penbha ki Thanat Pulet bat ki battalion. Bat larai ru ban penchna ya SP office ki district ki bampat don ya office terekam ke Bapura.
Disasters that took place because of that, the loss of lives, the damage to agriculture, the damage to infrastructure, and all these aspects were discussed, and more importantly on how we prepare ourselves for future situations, take precautions, prioritize what is most important, and as I said, improve the overall infrastructure and technology to be able to face these kind of situations in the future. Second important issue that was discussed in the DC's conference was regarding the overall infrastructure improvement in multiple sectors. As you are aware, this government has been focusing on a very clear-cut strategy and policy, which is to improve the overall infrastructure, especially when it comes to the public service areas. So whether it is hospitals, whether it's schools, whether it is blocks, or whether it's police stations, we have made a concerted effort to ensure that infrastructure improved in all these areas, which has been neglected for a very, very long time. You're aware that all the blocks in the state, new buildings are coming up, and in a lot of them, the tender process is going on, and overall approximately about 120 crores plus has been sanctioned, and works for new block buildings are going to start by August, September in all the blocks of the state. Similarly, we had started in the first phase the improvement of schools by including new buildings and extension buildings in different schools. We have gone a step further, and we have decided now that 1,800 of the schools, this is government LP schools, which were not repaired or which are in quite bad shape, the government has decided now that these repairs will take place of these 1,800 government LP schools through the district level, and a decentralized approach will be done where the DRDA along with the DLC out there and the different education officers will work together to ensure that in a decentralized manner these repair works of roughly about 3 to 4 lakhs per school, which will include renovation, which will also include, depending on conditions, electricity and water supply, and also include furniture in these 1,800 LP schools. Roughly a budget of anything between 3 to 4 lakhs will be given to each school. Another important decision which was taken in the DC's conference was a similar model will be adopted for the PHCs also, PHCs, CHCs and sub-centers also. So for this also earlier, these kind of repair works had to go through the departmental process, and the health engineering wing, planning department. All these were a lot of hurdles that led to a lot of delay in the implementation of the different renovation works. We have decided to decentralize those repair works, and now the entire fund will be for these repairs will be given directly to DRDA and to the district, and the district along with the district medical health officers will sit down and take up the work at the district level in a decentralized manner, which will ensure that the implementation is done much faster than what it used to be done before, when the entire process was centralized.
Menteri Rangba ulong balarai ru ban penbiang daki kali ki betemai yaki nyopun ru teli ki Thanat Pulet jong kejela. Bat an penklan yakini ki Thanat daga babo iki komputer bat ki kor keyboard hagabon ai daki kali kwai ru bat ki kali kit nongpang ha ki jaka ki bajur bha gejing thang kali bat kejing tengko kali. Nalor kani an ai ru an repo teli ki thok shaki Pulet ban kemi igur kompanyat kali Badan penbiang ru ikeja kasa nak bentaki pulit. Badan penklan yang tenat pulit nak batung kam syuk-syuk. Uloong baban ai mensia megi pulit kebelai kejing syakri kejela komta sedang ru ban ai no kusnam Chief Minister's Police Medal wat ke Chief Minister's Disaster Response Medal naduk mentakasnam.
But this is for police specifically. And as you are aware, police stations require infrastructure, improvement, renovation at quite small levels. But in order to do all of those repairs, the process was very lengthy. The department would have to send it to the secretariat, would go to the planning, would go to finance. Hence, we have decided to cut all those procedures, and we have decided that we will give a direct fund to the district level at DRDA. And the DRDA will again work closely with the SPs and the battalions to take up the smaller renovation works that are there at the battalion as well as the district level. At the same time, we have also decided that the larger SP offices and the different infrastructures that are required in different districts at a larger scale, those also will be done, but that process will follow the normal process of it going through the department and through planning and the normal procedure that's done, because as you're aware, a large number of the offices, districts don't have SP offices also, especially the newer ones. We have decided to give brand new vehicles to all the 76 police stations, because these are the first point of contact for the public, and the police not only do their duty as police officers from law and order point of view, but they are also involved in a large additional activities in emergency situations, sometimes even in health situations. They are there to serve the people. So we feel that better infrastructure and logistical support at the police station level is required, and hence we'll be giving a brand new vehicle to all the police stations, along with also computer and complete IT setup, because a large number of police stations do not have these setups, and obviously these are basic requirements to ensure that they're able to do their work properly.
Ha kawai pat kaliang Menteri Rangba kejelau uloong bagi tenat jong sarkar kila banyak cakmat ha gejing thungkam da kababut renti eka roster system. Komala betha da yang syari ndrai gejing long jengman haman la kawai pukwe ka tenat sarkar ke perbak labak. Bar omla ban penunkam da kejuk kesenjam ya barok tenat sarkar. Ndrai tenat sarkar kibla pendap eka roster system keliat ceprang ban thungkam gibriu. Uloong bagi dan bon tenat sarkar kibadang lum ya kikot kislan do kasnem syajar kandai sepanyo puar. Haduk menta bat komta tenat sarkar kibahe kin kham shimpor banyo agajing tip kebati kena. Naga benta ban penterika mega roster system hakerukom thungkam. Ukonrat kongkal sama uloong bakam dan syuk kanu gajing wet hakajing thungkam ndrai labu tang ya kawe kendon bade ban pentikna ban bot renti ya ke roster system.
That the departments can and the government can now go ahead with the recruitment and appointments following the roster system. So what the situation is that in every department the system is at a different level, and hence there cannot be a one simple yardstick or a solution or a reply to each one. So every department that has completed the roster, they're going ahead with the recruitment. Larger departments which require a bit more inputs, because from 1972 till now, so a lot of document has to be looked into. So the departments which are slightly larger and taking more time to get the background and the details are taking a bit more time to finalize the recruitment. But I want to make it very clear to the people and to the press and everybody that there is now no issue of the recruitment process. There is no issue of going ahead with the appointments. The only condition that has been put in is that you have to ensure that your roster is in place.
Ukonrat kongkal sangma uloong ru bakandai nak sispa jong kisnong kiberan hapadang gajingya ka Japut kilahap lo cekejela Meghalaya ha gajingya penbet yo put usam bat gejela Asam. Ukonrat kongkal sangma ulakan thoru yo nongilam kaliang persya Dr. Mukul M Sangma nagaseng All India Trinamool Congress uba persyang ban penkelamat election ka kampen bet yo put usam. Menteri Rangba uloong bag All India Trinamool Congress kadiban kiar ban lek kamsan perthai ya ka kampen bet yo put usam. Kamtam haba gajing soy soskular pen bet yo put berka Asam kadikat kum ka kaipat kebela IT hi de sarkar jela kebela lam du Dr. Mukul M Sangma agas nam arjar katway. Ulang ba unang ilam kaliang persya ulah kedau syapang ke jing sor jamin badigi map jangka revenue. Nereki map berkakai pot kidi ke belapen kreat ke sorkar ke jong Dr. Mukul M. Sangmahi. Hagas nam arajar katway ya ke belapas ke Asam badlah kedau bagidan kat artli ke Jaka ke badan pedang ke jing ka Japut. Ukonrat kongkal sangma ulang bau Dr. Mukul M. Sangma ukon thok dalade yalade hi halor ka kampen bet yoput usam bat kalong ke AKA ka ba ithamula. Menteri Rangba ulah penpau budap da kejing kemen ba kendai pukendai nak sispa jugi shnong kitau kibelan ha kejing ka Japut kila hap luch ke jelam Meghalaya. Bat komta kipat ba ki deban kemen bat menta deban pentikena bawat dia kejing penbet puat akawat ka ba aru deban pendap no namar bagi pat ba kilamat ya kejing ya menta labon bon senam.
When they were in power for 8 years, they didn't do anything about it. And now when finally something has happened, they just simply want to undo it because maybe they were not part of the actual solution at that point in time. I don't know why they are feeling this way. I think they should take it in a positive manner and be happy that we have finally found a solution to a very, very complicated problem like this. And I was going through the statements that have been made by the opposition leader, and he mentioned that the proper surveys and the maps and the different kind of revenue maps should have been looked at. I just want to tell all of you that the maps and the reports that were made, I repeat this, and I think you asked the question also to him, is that these maps were made by them. And the reports that were submitted were those reports that were put in by them. Hence, if the revenue maps had to be seen, then they should have seen it in 2011-12. Now, after the maps and studies and the surveys were done by the government of Meghalaya, irrespective of a Congress government or a NPP government or a MDA government, the point is that the government of Meghalaya in 2011 went through the revenue maps, went through whatever maps, and submitted a report to Assam saying that these are the areas of differences. And now those same people are saying that we should go back to the revenue map. Aren't you, negating your own work and your own stand, the work that you did, the reports that you put in? Now you're telling us why did we accept those reports? So it's quite strange that the opposition leader has made these kind of allegations, because if he is making allegations, then he's making allegations against himself only.
Kinohikai SSA kibadan hapok kalama jong ke All Meghalaya SSA Teachers Association hakakat santarik unaitung arajar arpuar kila sedang ya kejingya ki da kabasyong kelain mengor hakajaka penyangkali badan marjan bat ke additional secretariat hakanong ba shelong ban penbol ya ke sorkar ban penulong ya kejing dawa jong ki bakan thup ya kejing siu pendap ya ketulop kabadang sa jong ki. Kini hikai ki badan kumbasis paangut ayai kila sedang ya kini kejing yaki naduk ke por shipo wajemen stem. Bat ya kini kejing yaki lapen long namar kejing kuman jong ke sorkar jela ban siu dep no eketulap balapan sateng haduk san benai kanti. Kat kum kejing tu yalam ke sorkar jela ka klem pelat satya ya ketulap jong hikai SSA bat kum juru ya ke area ka bala pra benai ka badai jong ke snem arajar kan riu arhajar kan nyu.
Ray kat kum jingi keren bat I ngimla sumla panbun bat ban pediang marwangi mentang ila pending ke selari jingi la san penai mentang te ke jingkular jingi mene melum mala long bong ar penai kin siu no ya kata katulop jongi bat ya katar yam ap lakon no sitayo ar tayo de na ta kadaw na kaleng jingi ka penlong ar tatin nemar wawat ketika financial real ka barim jongu menai fe bat umai su adu mentai ke pat semla ban krian ban clear da mentai ki ong bagi nang ap ya kata kancing 1 point na central schemes kaban sapoi beng jong dengan installment fast installment din ta kadaong ngimla ban chania ya kata central kaban sapoi yang ni lano kan poi balano ngimtip ya kata reng ngi chania government man ngi chania gino hikai baro ba e karai ba kilerai mene kin syong ba yang ne ngin syong ang ne bat karai ba kadu ngin sim sibit janmin la gino hikai jingi kinong la iha bansa ang ne lengin continue ya kene ka agitation jingi ngin sim da kanu karai ka syong jing rai lang jong borok gino hikai rena kali jong aku menung yalam ngasoban sim collective decision bayak e bang layo ya ka jingkren na ki he jong ini irrigation department ngim semuhun bat ngin pediang ngin num pediang ngin ya syakmat ya kene jingi ki jungi
Pak ni UI kembali don arti dia gini ki grup jangan di SSA. Kaya ka papelong ni pisa ba nyala ban wan kawai ka grup ban ya. Di man ya kaju nomor ketiga kaju di man. Kaya ka daw man.
Kata nak lagi jungi ngim tip ya kaya ka daw ki di man nak lagi jungi don ngim tip bangi don arti reba ya ka di man jungi ki di man ya ka bangi lagi memorandum hak ni ki di man ki ya ka enhancement but ya kata ka shifting of post to the government post. Ringi minta ngiwan hang ne kum ki teachers association nak lagi jungi geran ka school association kadi ka jingi fair hang ta ngi don ba ka school ka yang lengba jong ka managing berkhoi bat ki school begin don lang hang ta ringi kum ki teachers ngi don tang ki teachers kum ngiwan hang ne boro mti kiwan nak kerteng jong ka teachers association de kai ba ka jing demand ki ga la ka jong bagi demand ni kita ke announcement ya kata ka shifting of post ngiru ngi don kam ya kata rai ka ba khmat wat ya kene ka balasa ka tulop jungi ka bainong tre ka jungi san benai kim sebla patla ban siu jajing syang im don kam suban mi surok namar bangi la di lupa ki dong tre juki bangi don kam ban up ban haban dawa ya ka tulop jungi ri maki ki de ban tip kum ki kini ki pa ban penbiang ngi ki dong tre yangi ki kun ki badon ha kene ka government ri babale bangi mi arteli ko mo phi maki ki diman la ka jong ka diman ngi diman la ka jong ka diman hendrai menta kum bangi lawan mene bene kendu ya i secretary jong education ngi kendu lang ngi lang bani la sim ya ka jong garai nak leng juki ru kimhun ban nak leng jungi ru kimhun ya kata ka arbanat
Nalor kani kesenjuk sakawai pat kesenjuk kinung hikai SSA kibadon hapok kalama jong ke Meghalaya SSA Schools Association kila pentep bakin penyat baitno ya kejing ki da kabasyong kelan mengor baklampun kabalapan benar ban penlong haka khat pratarik unaitung bat ya kani lapan benar unong yalam uba Aristotle si rembai hadin kejing kendu ya ki officer katanat education haka khat santarik unaitung kabadai kasngi kabakhat du bala aipo de kini kinong hikaya ke sorkar jela bahkan pentrai kam ya barok kimat jingdawa jong kinong hikai SSA.
To kai ka jingmi hadin ka jingi kendu jongi hadin ka jingi keren mo na kalian joki kila pen sngeu ba kila request yangi ban yaisha RTO ban yaisha sa RTO bahkan wan kata kapisa na government of India na kapentaban siu ya katulop jongi lai banai jong prai April May and June kata kalai banai ro kamlong tikna kasyong hakajing dap jong kapisa lada kadap arnai ki lada kadap lai banai kin ai lai banai lada kadap tang arnai kin ai arnai April and May jong mentau financial year arjar ROR apulai de hakapai dai pat jong last financial year 21-22 kila ong bahatu menta kapisa kadang ne page hapo state finance department there is no green signal at all for the kaya menta ka salary jong February and March de kata ka number 1 number 2 regarding enhancement kaniro ki ong ba under process ma number 3 ya kanika budget provision kaniro ki ong ba under process they are still work out ya ka shifting ro ki ong under process kamu kaya ka bangi kren baru minister haka santrik jong mentau benai kaya ka outcome ka babi nang tu the same thing ka ba kalong menta ka sengi tingi ngila pan sengau hati ba no we cannot ngimla ban pediang ya kaya ka bana kaliang joki ka government sengau hangi ngi penbenapit bangin ya ke syakmat ya ka indefinite dana jongi kaban sedang nado kat pratrik jong mentau benai ka bunda do monde hang ne hapo parking lot jong additional secretariat nado kat wage teng men step ter ka continue bot dean naik kadi ingin yai ke syakmat ni penting sebaro kino hikaya si bakilong ready banyawan renti haka sengi monde kat pratrik jong mentau benai hang te hapo parking lot jong additional secretariat haka por wage teng bangin peni ya ka protest jong ya ka jingle khunung khna jong kan ka government namar kumba ka mentra ka pawan ka yang isene dalor bangila so far 6 months running without salary isukuduk ka ya ka baikali bangin wan hang ni bani kendu apa ka result kalong the same thing guys government progress
Menteri Kena Kesokar Pedeng bakmi yakatanat Heavy Industries and Power Ukrishan Pal Gurjar haka khatlai tarik unaitung arajar arpawar ulawan yu kejat haka district ribhoi ba ulalum ye kejialang bat ke officer ban pan jing sai halo ke jing pentre kam ye ke scheme penroi bapher balabai tangka da Kesokar Pedeng nak benta ke ni ke district kabala yo ye ke jing itu kum ka aspirational district
Banang penting kena kejeng penteri hop di skim Sarkar Pedeng balamang ya ke distrik Ribhoi. Kebelasya kentop jong kisispa kat santeli ki aspirational district. Haka kalai terik unaitung arajar arpuar Menteri Kena Kesorkar Pedang beri kemiru ekatanat Heavy Industries and Power Krishan Pal Gurjar. Ulawan yu kejat akan ke distrik banbuk dia ne kejing pentelun yaki skim penroi beper balamang na kebentakan ke distrik. Hagani kejing man yu kejat jong ne Menteri Kena Kesorkar Pedang la penlong ru kejing elang ban panjing syai halor kejing penterekam di skim Kesorkar Pedang haga balawan bade sembentar ke officer ne kitat terekam beper ke distrik kentup ru na kenipko. Kibala ajing syai halor kejing pentelun bat kejing penterekam ne di skim Kesorkar Pedang. Hadin kejing yo jing syai halor kejing penterekam begini di skim kibala mang kiliang beper bakentup na do kejing penklan yaki kam penroi ke distrik kejing kentia wiki senat ajing nang jing start ke umbam umdi bat kiwe-kiwe. Nagaliang unu Menteri Kena ula airu kejing ro bat let jingo ru kumjo yaka Anganwadi Center ha Dihar bat yaka Wellness Center ha Saunong Kharai. Habakaran ni kinong to kubor Krishan Pal Gurjar ula penpau kejing kemen bansaki bat banyo kejing syairu halor kejing pentereka miki skim ha ke distrik. Ulapan paru ya kejing sengo kemen ke bakrau bansaki ba ke distrik Ribhoi da kejing Trishitom jongki officer ni kitanat rekam sarkar beper baklala ban jam saprang hagi benta ki babuan ha kejing kentiu kejing dan kam ki bakongsan ha kliang ka kot ka kya kejing biang ka bam ka puli putih bat ki begiwei hapok ke senam arhajar arpuar. Dai halor kini kejing la akot ban penterekam hok ya kini ki kam penroi. Baga distrik Ribhoi dangshen kalayok pediang ya kasong pisa kong ke kusnam ke balong siklur tengka. Bad hadin 4 kalayok sa sauklur tengka leng baga niti ayu.
Ya usnam arjar kat kendai ke Ribhoi distrik kalayok ke benekong kalayok arang ke benekong ada bidai pada basic infrastructure. Ya uju usnam ru kalayok ya karang ke benekong ada bidai pada health and nutrition. Te haujun arjar akwe ru ka Ribhoi district kalayo karang ke benengkong ha ka baidai bat education bat kalayo ru ka kusnam dengan niti ayo ke badai syikro tingkang di hadin kataru ka niti ayo ru kalaai nomor ki bun ki ranks ki lawan syikmat ha baidai ke Ribhoi district kalayo ru kunju ka wat mani ke badai south pro tingkang ti hausnam arjar atuar kat kum ka delta ranking jong nusnam te ka kani ke Ribhoi district lawan ke position ke besan bat humi arjar arpuar ha kawaidai bat ke basic infrastructure ka Ribhoi district kawan ke position ke baar bat kawaidai bat ke education kawan ke position ke ba sang te kakum kucing ong jung minister yong ba hakini ki samtli ki indicator ki ba kampung san te ke district hi kakum gani ke review mengila yo taksi ke district hi kala le bha hakini ki samtli ki indicators te nakani ke daw nila yo ru banjo position berkhidmat batu kunju iki award money naka niti ayo te nakaliang I minister ru ila pentep ba kini kesingiru nila yo men review ya ki projects ki beper ki ba implement lagi ni ki power sector companies kum kenipko bat ka power grid bat nakaliang juga la kuntukun pham om tang kini ki power companies sendiri ki district officials ki bahap apa ka district administration dari Ribhoi district hi bagi nang trejur susu nang ni khidmat kenang ba nginang la bat pekiu susu yakini ki indicators ki ba kawan kham sedin bat ngio ko overall ranking ke bawah kini ki benai bat ki pesnam ki benang wan ba nakaliang jukiru jongiru la pukut ba kaniku hi ke headquarter kanang ne ni apo Shillong
Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejala Ubak Preston Tensong aka katway tarik unaitung arajar arpuar ulapan bena baka sorkar jala kanweng no ya kejing penlip boarding elektrik ne kalut shedding ha kejala namar kejing trekam biang jong ki artli ki unit penmi boarding kejala ki bala sneu ha kini ki kendat tayau balalet no.
Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejala Ubak Preston Tensong haka katway tarik unaitung arajar arpuar ulapan bena manadu kamiat jong katway tarik kenam dan cuk kejing penlip ke boarding elektrik ne ke load shedding. Ubak Preston Tensong ubak kami ke tenat boarding uluang baka jing weng no ke load shedding kadai hadian mana pedang ki South League unit ki bapenmi boarding ke beladan pedang kejing thot nraya artli naki menta kilala bantri kambiang ban same ke boarding. Kumta ada kejing lak kini unit ke bagian top ke yam bat trau ban penmi ke boarding. Kumta on penlip boarding show nado kamiat jong kakat tarik. Ulai kublai kipat ba halor kejing Aisyah ke jongki ha kejing penterai kam ya ke load shedding ha kini sengi bagi benai balalet.
Hadin kumbakat tu kanipur kaba nakaliang jong ka sorka nakaliang jong ka BCL kabang ihaban bansesu ihaple ikanika load shedding kabapoi kumbasau kenta sisgi te kabang sobaha ban petip menta ka janmit hadin ba parok kilat kenting lai persang kumno ban penlait no ikanika load shedding dengan kwa ban petip ya pi bengilarai ba nadu sibit sitang mit ngin lift no lani kanum don su load shedding hapok ka jela me kha raja jong iparok wei bat kata kade hadin ba artli kini units jongka emisel niladep ban repair dang ta ka wake units ka ba nakalian jongka OTPC ka ba hagene ki kendet tayo kado de nakalian jongki ru unta kila restore biang de kila la ban supply kanika power support ka jela ka jongi de nak kadau isim ya rai ba mentang nadu sibit sitang mit kanum don su kanika load shedding haparo kawai ke jela me kalaya den lai kawai ka bangindai besutu la se ki pajba namar pi ke sektor kabun don pat teng ki ba nakadau jong ke jing sneu ki kalab long no transformer lene kalab long na ka transmission line kalab long na ka distribution line ya kita pada kidai kiba ka problem ka sajmi ina ka por kala belong ba kelon uding kala belong bawan ke eriong ke erngit ya kata ngim ya keren ten ngi persang hikat bala ba nang ni sekmat komopi ya bangin repair ploy kat bala kenang ba ki pajba jong jela jongi kin suk kin sain ha ka bedei bat ka jing supply jongi ya kaneka boarding ha ki long yeng ke long sem maro te ngasngo bang ade ban ai burom ka burom ka bakrau i ki pai bang nong sosnong da ka bakia sha sitom lang bat ngi kum ka corporation ne borok wei ka jing persang ka jongi ngi suthu i ka jing ka baki lu ngi suthu i ka jing ka baki ki ut ki nam ngayo robun ki phone call ki ba pli nak leng sodong balong ba ki complain i ka jing ya ka ne ka load shedding tenai ko mo api nadu sibit siteng met kane ko load shedding ngin lift no kanang ban pensuk pensain ya ki pai ba no song snong jok jela jungi paro ka wei
unong wat jingtip leng ba ka RTI ha ka jela uba des parsing rani ula pentim ba ka sarkar India kala ajingtip ba ka kam ka beadai ba ka jing pendrung ya ka kten khasi ha ka 8 schedule jongkariti sanchari kala poi ha ka kala ka ba khatu namar ba kala dan ha ka jing bisar jongkatnat administrative Habakran shikilat pathai kubor uni urang ba ulayatu baling ba kajing pan RTI kesor ka jala kalapen ken mau bakala donru kajing itu ikakten khasi hapo kayeng dorbar thawan ke jala uyatu bakasor ka jala haka arpo santarik urempang hajar khat khandai kalapan jingtip na New Delhi halo kajing yat kakam kabiadai ba kajing pendrung yakakten khasi bat garo haka khrnet ka bapra jongkariti sanchari bat na kalyang kesor ka jala kalapen ken mau la arsen arwat New Delhi halor kanika kam uyatho bakat kum ka RTI ke sokar pedeng kala ajing tip bakidon hado arpau artli kiktin kibala dep rung haka khrnet ka bapra haba pentim bakaktin khasi bat garo kala don menta hakatanat administrative Uloong basisin bakanika kam kalapoi hakatunat administrative kamudru bakani kadai kalenti ka bakhatdu haswa bakasokar pedeng kanra sakayeng dorbar thawan jongkari ban aya ke jimenjur hakaban pendrung no haka khangnit ka bapra jongkariti sanshar
kene galong nga supan kemau nga supan mak pen mau ya ke bagi niki kini ki brio ki manabar ki wat jing tip chapang ktin kasi magaktin kasi ka hapo ka astro asiatic langwi ki ong taka AA ti hadian bagi wat jing tip haka jan new lengmo director jengka geographic society lalap ba na kendai ko arngut ki ba kolek sampul lam taban DNA test ti na kendai ko arngut ki kasi la shemba kasi gidi bri ke barim tama India ba ki ladon karta ka basan punyo hajar snem hangne hajaka ti ki buro kataka record ne kataka ke ba kasi gidi brio kiba kidai long ki chua bania cha Southeast Asia la de nang ne yus dang nang ne chua ban Thailand chua ban Chile ti kidai nang ne na po North East India ta ka di tang ka boy su pen kan mau ni ha be dei ba ta ka jing li jong phi kum no phi tip hai be dei ba ka ni ka tien ka ni ka tien ha po del hi ka apo yang ta administrative ma ka ni ngale lang ba ka ti ai dia bangale ara ti ai ka long ban tip ya ta tos jong tien ka si na mar ngabu ka record ba ka komen am khalia phi ong ba ka ni under process na banta kini ki life hu khulai ni life atli tien ke ba under process ban itu ka is ke dio nia ti gim tip ya kada under process tip kile kumno ti kormen lik me khalia ar kamnang men le kumno kamnang ra kawe ka clarification no ka ai kumta ba aro ka ai kumta ti kormen nia kamla le e ben le ni ti hadian bang i ba kormen khalia kam inang ben le e nak lang jonga long le sno ka ati ai ban tip ya kang tia jing ting kasi ti kan ne ka jing le jing ati ai kalap man ba kan ni ting kasi mta ka apo ya po administratif main geleng kalong baka ada ke final state ban pois non po parlimen ban itu ya ka tim kasi ti habade ba kata ka bade bat kanika schemes pas ngi ting lale chwa makos kar me khalia kamba penpau ne ba ka scheme pas ngi ka de ka we ka scheme ka bayarap ba ban gentiu ka yo ka kot ha gino gandong re ka jing kalong babuni ka scheme pas ngi ting ka kolap no nakadaw ba kamdon kimla ki try ki ba bede ki bendor ki ba ai simen ki ba ai mau ba ki ba ai set ai narot ba kumta ter kimla shu ban kersan ha ka jingwat jing tip yang lalap ba ka don ka lu ka jingsa bisa nak sarkar hadu ndrius pa klur ka sa skar me khalia yaskan dia hadu ndrius pa klur ti hebede ba kene jingsa hadu ndrius pa klur nak lenga nglawat jing tip sport komen of India bede benisa ka bisa nak juba bangayo na government of India ke thu yang ba hawat ke jingsa ka bisa ka don kata kumbalai thu da ka skar me khalia handre ke jing kalong ba ka performance jung state kata de bun kam ka performance mu kalong ka ban submit ke UC ban ai ka 100% sipo ka central government bat kumta ter ai junga stunat kalong ba kane gisti kala ya na we bat lese ka de kane jingwat ati ai junga ka pelong ya skar India ban dilir sing kane bisa ka badon how ne khan riu trik banai ban riu haraja ar ban dilir sadu lai spa khandai phui klor ti lese kane jing release junga government of India kane bisa lese ka de ka we na ka jing le junga ka ti ai tam tik ndai ka ai ka ba ngastunat dong kala release ka ba sa menta salai spa klor atrai skor India kan salilit ti habide ber bagane ke jing lang bisa jung nong tres po blok nomor bagi ong ba kim tip bahaya tulop jung ki habide ka next scheme chi spas ni tengne rong yaw ngala ban yathu pi ba ka tulop nam ta gi nong tres badi ad hoc dan ki bate po scheme ting spa ban yathu pi ka tulop jung gi nong tres nam ta gi joint mission director ka poisan bo prahajar program manager 100,000 state program manager 100,000 information technology manager life manager teknik ajrong ba kanika ketika kam hene ngatrai ka pakwa ban tip yak sarajeng ki ke skwa ban tek yanga ban inform yanga kenang bangala ban ai kan record ka bade nam tak salary jong gitu ginong trei batrei apa blok nam tak skim sispas ni
Menteri Rang Ba Kejela haga khat ar tarik unaitung arhajar arpawar ula pelat pat ba ya ke skim MGNREGA kabala mang ban pentrai hakishnong kitau ki bahap apo ke census town jong Kejela Meghalaya bat ul ai kublai ru ya ke sokar pedeng kabala penyare ke jumento jong ke skim MGNREGA shakishnong ki bam deshu ki jakanong kendong Haka jialang kebelalong haka katlai tarik menta unaitung arhajar arpawar Menteri Rang Ba Kejela Ukonrat Kisangma ulapan benapat ba banang ni syakmat en pentrai kamno ya ke skim Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act ni MGNREGA hakishnong kibahap hapo kekerdan census town Hakane ke jialang hakane ke sengi nalor Menteri Rang Ba kumukongsan leadon langru Menteri Sorkar bakmi ikatanat Community and Rural Development CNRD jong Kejela uba Hamlet Son Doling Principal Secretary ikatanat CNRD Usampat Kumar bat kibede ki officer Sorkar Kajingweng no ya ke kendon bakishnong ki bahap hapo ke census town kin omyo bentai ke skim MGNREGA kadai hadin baka Ministry of Rural Development jong ke sokar pedeng kalaweng no ya ke ni ke kendon
Isukumena baniok dapat pi bardo ban ucirsta sungi unla ban launch no ya di program krang ba pi kishnong ba habapo ke census town ba menshwa pimjio ban terkam yak MG scheme be menta pre pisio ban terkam lo yak grega MGN REGA dikene kelong kaba sultanat nakliang jongi baru sebenarnya cukup baik kerba kerpang nam tau chimusar kapre ke babon ba kije kendo bat ke ministry ngim shimla yo ya ke juba man ka por beli Delhi nakliang tu chimusar nakliang jonga ya kendo ya ke official je ministry ban bo din be lor kri menta namar ni suthu na jo bari kendan bon ba ekonomi khmat ki ong ile ko bagi na araban rumio scheme na po rural rumio scheme ke bon kisong kisa kimyo ya ke don per Nyimla machuskap, nyimla masyongkom tu, jana kadau nihaban trace bat yakam kajogi, bat kajin pasang jogi, gam semnong kel balai hakaban liang jong lesa, lotok asti pesuli sanga, bat mpau ba nila, bat beteng yakni ke scheme, bat mereka mapo kini isdong kibah mapo ke sensus town. Dikini kelong kiki ke ba sokman bat kalong ru ke ba soyo semua jom tuan jom pi kisnong ba boros kata penjual ini scheme kerimanta kumulong mana video sebon ba development apa exchange film ba scheme but sabuer golong ba kinong shok nong ru kinyo ru ikjung toy lengba kade ke scheme.
So you were neither here or neither there, and that was a great disadvantage because we were not able to get the kind of development programs and schemes that other sections of society and other areas were receiving. And therefore, this simple clarification which was given by the Government of India, which simply says that MGNREGS is applicable to for rural areas only. And to the extent the census towns have not been notified as urban area or as cantonment area, hence the MGNREGS can operate in these census towns. It was just a simple line. But this has now changed the entire dynamics of how MGNREGA will be implemented in the census towns. And I'm very happy, and I must say I'm satisfied to see today. I'm also happy to tell you that this entire issue of JJM also has been something that we have been looking at. And similar challenges were there that census towns were not included. I'm happy to inform you that we have initiated the steps, the necessary documentation and necessary meetings, necessary policy changes have been made at the state level. We have already proposed, we have already sent the details to Government of India. I have spoken to the Honorable Minister, Jal Shakti, Shri Gajendra Shekhawat ji, and he has in principle told me that census towns will be included, and therefore we expect that census towns will very, very soon be able to get the benefit of JJM scheme also.
The Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo People, FKGGP, akakat artarik unaitung arajar arpauar kal ai kublei bat pendan buram, yau Presiden Keseng uba Welbert Rani uba lasong taitno nakakam kumunong yalam, hadien kejing syakri ke arpaun riu senam, hakaseng bat yak imlang saalang. Hakan negasngi uba Welbert Rani ulapan bam semaya kinong yalam batma jong ke FKGGP kibanyalam nya kaseng hakajing syakri yakari bat kejai penriu.
Anang
Ka Federation of Kasi Jantian Garo People FKJGP haka khat artrek naitung arajar arpuar. Kala penlong ya kejingelang hau Sosotham Auditorium Shillong haka balapen kup buram ya ba Welbert Rani ubala syong thatno kumu presiden ke FKJGP. Balapen bam semai kinong kit kam matmai jong kaseng. Haka ni kejingelang lawan banyadon lang dong Menteri Sarkar Kejelau ba Asan Borsulai baru Chief Executive Member ke KHADC uba Titas Istarwel Khan kibalalong kinong ilam barim ke FKJGP. Presiden ke KSU uba Lombok Starwell Marngar, Presiden ke RBYF uba Bipul Thangkeo, Presiden ke HNYF uba Sadon Kebla, Presiden ke JSU uba Ajeshela bat kiwe-kiwe. Kinong alam jang ke FKJGP kilepun ku burame uba Welbert Rani yau senyang uba lemno syakajat bendriu ku mudukot bat unong alam keseng lapalat arpun driu snem. Hadian kini kejengpun ku buram yau Presiden Belasong Thaj uba Welbert ulapan bam semai pat kinong alam batemai ke FKJGP Ibakentup Presiden uba Dundee Cliff Kongsen, General Secretary uba LD Lingdo bat kiwe-kiwe. Kini kidukot kibatamai jong ke CEC, kindai kibantrekam na kibantang kesamoy jong kesenam arajar arpuar hadu arajar arpusan. Kinong keren hagane kejinggelang, kilapen pau ya kejing sungo yau senyang jong uba Welbert Rani. Ubala no skim lang salang bat kejat bendrio barokowai, bat kilakit bok yau bu undang yai beteng ban cakri kejat bendrio. Walau ule eno kumunong elam ke FKJGP. Bat kilakit bok ru ikinong kit kam batemai jong ke FKJGP bakendang trishitam ban penurlong yakimat jeng dawa jong pat ba kejela. Kinong elam seng balang kilakentu ki pat ba bekidai haga por election ban jet ki statesman ki bantau ki an na kebenta bandai kejat bendrio om ban jet ya kinong le business na ki politician. Ki ban perkatang ban job election el di shimet. Uba Welbert Rani ulapan pau baka CEC bamenta jong ke FKJGP kalong kebaklan. Nemar kinong elam kidai kibla i bah kakam ban cakri kari bagajat bendrio. Bad unget scam bagani ke CEC kan ya cakambat ban penurlong i kijing dawa ki basateng jong kajat bendrio.
Kamtam ngiyam hakum kini kisingi kamtam kami generation bajungi kebala kamsyai habrok kiliam. Kadon kamtam kajing yakren jarong bacanen hakini kisingi. Kidon kajingong lati syaksyuk tukar kiyong kidit kot seng balang. Syak tap tukar kiyong pipa pi kino ilam seng balang. Ngabu kajing kali yawai orang ba badon nakabor jugaan sin kisingi hakini kisingi lalet no. Ang lanap syak kanjat syak syuk tukar kiyong kidit kot bat pa kino ilam seng balang. Lati syak kanjat bat syak syuk kasih manu sa puson na pi kum kisam la akren de komudkot jong kajat penrio namar kajing tara kajing sat tu kisam la iksingi kajol hadu kata-kata ba aldi na pun kenmau ya ke jing ya denti handai masuk bandong ijialong bat kiman hadu kat ni kajing tara de nama kumbaong babipur mene ya ketubangi akren pu yutiu ngaong ba lapor pelat kita kisi kertong tuna masidor. Kapan perhat ingi iwai iwai kum kisam lah kisi maju keren maju selok. Baimat kaya kadon kap ingi ban sandor ban sim kesenjang pak thamai kum perhat padan. Baka ikhtiar ke jongi bangi berkubur him ban rai kala cai kisi kasong angi iwai iwai kum pinong song pokra jong jalan. Berkata kalau imat kepor labian banjir ikinong samkiu sampiang kinong samna pada kepor banjir ya kinong tauan wanra ya ke polisi ke pakam pakatam namta kecinggi wirat jok jala bat scam jok jat pendri brokoi ai bagane kan pur bat kan rong haman wei wei urkot jok jat pendri bat kinong song jok jala nama kecing senjor jok senja kada habiski ngimsim lagi an kanun banyada jaga jaga jogi haki isu apa dengi kemen ni kemen lang jaumat lang hangrai kan ngrem ke jogi kelong dade ni nginam pendem haki denti bomlong namta ngin yakon man penti kenap kerja menriu kan yang berketem serta paten isu apa kriya keren ni gisni yata kai ngi dibelle kamtam ka LP Sakan osin ringgit jengkang asket teriak nak buat senompak ada ni. Handai
langba kani karensan ng sobandong sikit khot pura jong jai penreu ngide mara langba baka ILP ngide pentrik kam naduk na barampe kibubun kibu cingkeli habangi persang bantalasi kot kisla balik seng balang haban simti ya kaan jam kakti ngapuru ka cingkeli pusin ang syaibat kibor kaan kim sem talasi kadang tak cekgiat ng tepo kiam tek kita kena drop ki boy hadu is jantia kile yu to untuk bukit kacing lailan kalong hadu kata-kata hakpo ajalah jomi pais bun ba kiliang kacing persang ban kini jentat ya ka hop kinu song bat idkot jong kajai pendeu dagi beu sobar kajo hadu kata-kata lada kita ki bangi syania bamara polisi kim semlaka bat kim midor hakili senang banwan ngasoban ong nyuma kadang kecing tim kapan si jom kisama yulasi kesatap ya kasak namar kecing terang babun jing syak kantok ke babun jing syak tan telai babun miski ki pasha andai kum kaseng kapujuya dan hasna kaseng kejepi pat kuai pat kenut seng balang ki balong kum kesatri bengijo kerana kepor-sepor ngin pan dikenapa nginam don benu kapenta ban ai cakajat penreu ngindon spak ngindon po ngrai ngidon tang kasna patang kawai kecing dan IT namta kari berkajat penreu boy kublai supun si hajaru ublai berku lang jengi
baka jat penreu pada dang sa sisien kam dai ban ram ke penreu jengi kijinge kila ban wan kijinge thu kila ban poi ki ding ka barhem kala pat tur ke penreu jengi ale badan kisang balang kimja kan ba tang kawai ngalong ipi san bos nem bele alenti san bos nem ke state klub iknyo ye ka jingi jela ke jong klub kisang balang no ipi nyelaja dai nomor butan kisang balang ong wei perlok jonga don wei bong bawal bar phiaki na do mencha do menta isu bai se ru balai gumni ong so wei pat urut teman wong bawal bar buat ngap ki gini ya kat bang inang nuot penyaki inang nuot banang khangyo inang nuot banang shanghai walitrai inang nuot banang kandan kapan inang nuot banang kanang public curfew inang long try ye kajab ndre bujungi the sense of belonging remain with us kata kadai kaba inang job adu menta klub kisang balang onai pi pinum long kumne ngilong menta nginum la ban long ni menta bon kit khan ki won nabar ki bre ki barchila ki won nabar ki wan ki lem nu ki tieng ni kong de yengi kisang balang ki salia de kisang balang ndai ni no ki salia de kisang balang dai badan mapi kisang balang dai badan mengi kisang balang anu ban ko dai badan ka pateng ga menchua ju kisang balang monoi pi ngilai dai ka jabri ban long kumni bi long ta dalam dan kisang balang ngila de kot nadu menno nimno chu tamanang ketengam bad kran ye ki isu jang jabri apa Tripura ngalawan ni meeting na Tripura kumukan konor jang ka IPF monoi pi don wei temen ukit ye kapla usong kai banga uang kumno uang inga samla uang pene namar me nang yolong ban ye kran me pene kajat gede ujong me nang doni kicing kerben uang mia Tripura uang alamat uang manga kejilong temen uang ukun jonga oksiu jonga usha sho Ahmad jonga ki kerdam ki barjela ya oksio Ahmad jonga uang ngapet tang ki khmat ngajal tang ki umat hani ini pimla bale kamta pikta tala plu amangi da pikta tala plu nda shwe munur shu ban ki don ki state report nadis ngampa ban jer keteng ki ba ka office trekam jong kita ki student union ki badan report nadis ko ni ki cela ki ba shatai ka office jong ki ka shathang hauli thang ka office ki issue ta tala plu shisnam kamkut ta ai ke office of KGP shisnam kamkut pinwali du puri banaban plu ka cela marbalik ni dang nom try ya kari ilang nom try ya ka cela jong la jong nata kadau ki babi ki an ki dang bun ki bangitan kam ILP ni dang tan kam banyo ki an banyada ka jabri ni dang tan kam banyo wat pat som thai ki ngai ya ka mansim jong ka chichir ham jong pi jong kini ki leader ngai ba ka jat ban rio sa chisin kan ki biang ka jat rio sa chisin kan pen ki biang ki isu hadu bangina yo ngila pen pas na po assembly ka basa ka dia po dali ngin nyak pa de ki minister omdai shi assembly ngin nyak pa ki dali ngin nyak de ki magi ki jongi ban le chidali ban ya penirang ban Amit Shah umdai ya kamratya handai po ka office trikam jungu banong wara ka LP ka state ka jungi balai bisimpor ban study ya ka ILP ka berpas ka assembly ka jungi bisimpor hadu laisnam we are not a rare species nilok thek kum kibre kibutan apa Assam kibutan apa Manipur kibutan apa Arunachal nilok thek nyimper barki nganur banong ba ni khap start mani balai hadu mentam la kan ILP ni kini kit khat mentang lo IP nyak menta siti bagina cepo dali banlai bat ka rendang lo peniang bat ka terpang lo penie banang bau pajba uang ba ya ka ILP la kan kam ada ILP sesisian kan kie ka tma apa ka ni beri ni trap kita gede ki barang sateng ki bang yang ni keren mar boleh kelem kian nyinum la ban yang ku jat beri pikop kan pokok ono IP laramdan kan sufficiency nak apa tak election saya kerja berjungi kan toy. Laramdan conservation policy kan umur kita jungi ki bani akam, ukhasi jungi bani akam. Larangi pula yang pengipan yang puli puti. Lase ngidang duna mat ki pa kerja bendri. Dai conservation policy ka bani akam yang ni. Kadi kalang transferat ka bani dai ni. Bau dhar banabar umna ban kin jaka ka beri nyotret. Dai ni. Mulai lara pelajaran. Lakut kembang present dengan GSU benar. Ladap sakit har ki kok factory jepo jangan semua. Ada pergi kok factory nomor boleh. Hakai pisah ya di lot boro-boro. Ndara kami tak pisah. Kerteng kasih kan pancing kan tak sipia rumtim. Wan buri benar. Ndara yo lah isi pantian orang IP. Tak pisah jengki ke bahe. Bawan udkhar budan apa megalia. Kibar mari budan apa megalia. Orang IP kita yang tap ya kibar buan nabar buan boleh. Kibun ke pisah. Mudur mengilai kanu ngilangan syah. Kadai kalang transfer ke baida ini. Nata kadang ngidan kami taan kapan dia dah ini. Ngidan kami ILP kapan dia dah ini. Ngidan kamru. Bahkan kanika teringasan kan terikam in a true spirit. Dan kam man terikam. Kisah malang jadi ban pet juga ni. Jadi ban pet juga ni. Mudai ban ailat bikin aidal. Mundan kam man sya ban aidal. Nomor pelai kajat benri ko jungi. Ngidai kajat benri ko boren. Larangim stat ban dia dah. Larangim scam. Mana ipi nginakut. Kum kejat beriu. Mereka jabin juga kejat beriu. Balai tangga mulai rai perakasi. Syuai melang syuai bani keren. Layak kersum lang bergui parjat beriu. Ibasan bor mana ya admit 75% di bar jelayu. 100% di beriu menabar. Kanu ngila penyeda, kanu ngila pen keren sorong. Narangi miang penyeda mentah. Kan poi kepon. Bakini ki beriu par jela. Narangi laskan. Kinong kubli syubun. Minileh hino. Kita kubelai shibun, nginian hino, nomor pelai, ngilanang bun susu, hak jimun pan. Kini ke bangkwa bangkran ke bangsa sanut, ke bangi, ya ke jimlong jong kejat beriu, jilong jiman jong kejat beriu, hangi mentah.
Kahinyo Trap Youth Council Shillong Circle aga khatway tarik unaitung arajar arpoar galapak hang tala ya kahinyo tali kidukan jong kibriu kibam dai kitrai muluk kabadan hadam senyong namar lasyam bakini kidukan ke klam pentemai ya ka trading license kabal ai da ka KHADC.
It's better like now you close the shop and after you get the license and you open. Okay. Now you close. You have
Kahinyo Trap Youth Council Shillong City haka katway trek menaitung arajar arpuar kala penlong ya kejing kanra haka than dam senyong bad kala pak kang kardep shwa ki hinyo tli gidukan jagi bamdai ki khasi halor ka jing bam penthamai jungki ya ki trading license hadin bakaseng kali ojing tip ya kejing don gidukan ki bam shemla penthamai ya ki license khayi kumta kala let ban kanra gidukan bad kala lap ya kejing shisha U Presiden KHYC Shillong uba John Lengdo uloong baha kejing kanra kila paksai kikot kisla bat haba kim shimla pentama ya ki license komta kala pak kang kerep ya ki nyautli kidukan jong ki bamdai ki khasi uba John Lengdo uloong manang ni shakamat kaseng kanang beteng ya kejing kanra license namar gani kejing sang jelai jong kidukan jong ki bamdai ki khasi hakathan kalong kumbagi kini ya kapliang ja jong ki trai ri trai muluk ki blala ban trai ya ki jat kam boper
Yeah, we do. It takes sometimes 1 week, 10 days, 1 month for renewal because we have given the district.
You are not new to this year.
Yeah.
You have applied almost every year. You have applied in the lesson, but now look, It's been almost over a year.
Cái ba kham jur lah ni, cái ba kham tinggi, ke ba ngin cim nang ni semat. Ikaran nak kawasai. Lada ki bosyong ha kesuki, ki badan ya kata responsibility, kisong kriti, mengi kum kaseng, kum ke SWC, ngin cim ya ka responsibility. Lada kita ki bosyong ha kesuki, kisong kriti. Kimdan ya kata ke jingkit kri nak banta banpet ya ka ba kamiat banpet ya bante nak kam ya ke jing kai ini ke jing trail lah duit jongki mender ki bosuan ane
ni ba kali dukan pila yo
ha
kali dukan
nak yang jungi dia kejingwan jungi kamdi bang min khang datangi kerja rina ko yang kejungi kawan mengincek mengin supet ikut kislah bar kejumut kejungi ba Nadang hilang, nadang iyo itu ki dukan ki bomdan yang terdesan nak lian jungi in complain be direct support ka district council bahkan liat ya kemudian kami kidon ki dukan ki bomdan wat ya ka terdeng lisan. Hai ki yang layo kata ka permission nak kasino ka musi nak kasino. Ndri ki klem yo ya ka terdeng lisan. Nur nak liang kita ki bor sinong ki alat ban pli la dak 4 yo ya ka jingbet ka pura. Nak liang jungi in complain be support district council bahkan liat ya kemudian kami bat ndri tambangin complain dengan pressure in penbuat bahkan dia nakakam hindi makin siyasyon kriti lan ni makin siyasyon type district council membana ya kai ka ba kabadon sabar ni kai ka baja sista sabar ka sa ro jong ka district council
Hakaway ke jingja ke basungsi, kaway ke kena bakat lai snem karta kala no era ke jing im bat arngut kiway pat kela men saujur na ke jing syak lempat haka boarding electric kabalaja man haka khat ar tarik unai tung arajar arpawar ha omyam block 6 kabadan marjan pat ke MIDC.
Ha ke jingja ke basungsi kawai ka kena samlan nak jat ndreu garo keladu nak nak jong kejing em bar arngut ki kena apat kelemen saujur hadian bekila syabat ak boarding electric hadian bekila yaj lengba kejaka bahab ubaya boarding ba katway KV kene kejing ja kelaja ha kawai kejaka hajan ke MIDC Umyam block 6 hak district Riboy katkum kejing tip leyo lum loong baki nigi hybrid kilami nak kejaka saat tre jongki nak vikas somil bandet khet sophan nak kawai ka klau kubadan marjan ba kene ka karkhana Ndrei kila kumya lengba kejaka balahap nusainar boarding bakat WKV ubala suba ubalahap bat klempoi kmi digi bor ke MEECL lakum bakat tu kene bena AA. Badakani kejingja ke WK hybrid kelak-kelak dasyan bad arngut kilomen saujur. Bala penkit Marmar Civil Hospital Shillong dak ambulans 108 nak bentaban yo ekejing sumar. Nakaliang ka KSU Umyam Unit Lengba General Secretary Umarkus Nongklau ula penram jor ketenat MEECL kabla le authority klaim dapat bat kemi kena kejaka kaba uni usainar boarding bakat WKV ulah mentala kat tu kena benai tak dadu belawanan shop kena kejingja ke basngusi Manakaliang keseng keladawa nak kena ketenat bagan shim kejingkit klik halor kena kejingja bat bandai akabadan kam nak benta kelonggiang kebladu ono elaka kun joki haga kena kejingja basngusi
Laingut kibreu kila mensaw na kejing lait rat katrok i artli kikali hakas nong maudiang hanong po haka katwe tarik unaitung arajar arpawar kane kalaja tang namar kejing penherstet palat dong nongnya jong kani katrok kabala poi syuput ban tenra ya kawe ke bolero pick up bat kawe katrok kaba penyeng harut kesurok ba national highway kaba Henry
Laingut kibreu kil mensaw tang harian makawe katrok kabalanya astet unongnya kalalej bantenra eki artligi kali. Kani kejingjai tengkuk kali kalaja ha kejan miet jong katwe tarik unaitung arajar arpuar ha kapor laish tengi ai ha kitan yong po ha kesnong mau diang kabahap pok surok ba national highway Bahenrio. Layo jingtip ba kani kejingja kalaja hadin unongnya jong wekatrok thli kabadan number ML pra iwe arsau kebelawan gebenta jong ka Guwahati banet Shillong kalanya astet ba pedeng kejing ter ulak ba kitan yong po. Hagaba unongnya semlala asyuk bantek lakam bat nengkong lalit bantenra asyai kawai ka bolero pick up kepada number ML Shpausi not pra Henrio bat hadian 4 sekawai ka trok kepada harut surok ba kepada number UPRR 80 iwe Henrio saunot laong bahagian ni kejingja langut kibreu gul mensaw bukentup unongnya jong ni ka trok theli nang ta unongnya jong ka bolero pick up bat unong bot jong ka trok kabla syak tenra nadian Ya kini berok lengot apen ket mar-mar Shanong Po Civil Hospital banyo kejing Sumar ban nakliang gibor pulet ke Nong Po Police Traffic Branch kidang penlong ya kejing tokit halor kene kejing ja.
Kahinya Utrap National Youth Movement sengkemi kaladawa na kesorkar jela bakade ban shimi ke senjam hakaba pentre kam ne ban wanra no ya ka an ke biade ba ke jing bha kam yi ke samla kabri uhinya Utrap kabalong prapo na ke shispa hakijaka tre kam jeng ki riu shimet ne ke private sector. Habakran Shikilat Pathai Kubor, Ubat Louis Dr. Ula Pentip, Bakaseng HNYM, Kaladap ban IT Dakador Khas, Jauh Menteri Rangba Kejela, Naduk Keshitarik Unaitung Arhajar Arpawar, Halor Kani Kejing Dawa, Bat Ong, Bakajiwan Ra Iki Company Niki Karkhana Hapok Kejela, Kam Shimla Ajing Mentoy Satya Yaki Samla Trai Muluk Hakayok Kam Yok Jam, Namar Kejing Bamdan Yakanu Kanu Kejing Tek Kular Bat Kesorka Jela. Kat kom kejing ong juu kisam la khasi keladon buon ba kibla pendap ikijing puli haki kerdan bapher hendrai kini kisam la kim juyo satya ikikam haki company ne ki karkhana namar kejing bomdan kejing ete kendon jong ke sarkar bat kini ki company uong badai kini kejing bom yo kam yo jam jong ke samla kabalawan ra ya kejing jelle jong ke kam sniu hapo kejela
Adian banglai I ba kini ki private sectors kambun sian hi haba kiwan kene ka kiwan setting ye ke industry ye ke kam ki jongki company ki jongki hapo ko bri new trap ka jongi kam dan kanu ka agreement lane ka jingya te kular ba sarkar Meghalaya ha ka ban ai kam ye ki samla ki jongi kibon ki samla jongi bla pendap ye ki jing pulih ha ki kerdan master degree ha ki kerdan degree graduation kiba pendap ki kerdan undergraduate class 12 pass kiba matric pass bekumtar terter te kido no ka kabukser ka jongki namar ba kamdan kanu ka kandan an ba sarkar ka tha na banta jongki ni samla ki jongi ba klam jam ya ke jela Meghalaya latip mentakum ka wai na ke jela ka ba bontam ki samla ki ba klam jam kidan da ki lak ngot ki samla ki bom yo kam ki bom yo jam bat ki bala bakla no kelentiat ke jongki na ka daw jong bom don kam don jam bat ka jing jelai jong ki kam snio kalong ru ba ki samla ke jongi hadian ba ki la pas ki jing pulih kim yo kam kim yo jam haba kim yo kam kawan ka depression ha ki jimut ji perkhat ke jongki nda kawan ke ne depression ka jing thakli ka jing sngo kejing sengau jongki ba kilak kutlat dah hakane kejing sengau jongki ba kilak kutlat ke yalam bakalal ti ki te kadon kapor ba ki pulit ki okam ya kini ki ba khai drugs kibun ki kena ki bala nang la start ki ba khai drugs kibun ki kena ki ba di kenja ki ba shuya charum chaneng shu em konja ka kya boleh ki anang ki la start kim don jam talada ka sarkar ka long concern lane ka sngau kit khia shishan ka banta jong samla jongi kuma ka sarkar na ka por ka shat karan ki kintian ba ki samla ki dai ka lawai jong ka ri ba ka chat benreu ki lawai jong ka jela Meghalaya handrai lada ki samla jongi kim yo kam kim yo jam shai ka lawai ka jongki hatu kini ki samla jongi ki chu im sa mo hapadang ka jingduk ka jingkerdu hatu kini ki samla jongi ki chu kjet sa mo na ki kimi ki pa ka jongki hadin kila adap ke jing pulir gedang hab bam sak na kimi pa kane ka jing long ka jungki ka panlong ki bakin wan ha ka jing tension ke jing kulmar ke jing mut perkhat haba ki kulmar ke jing mut perkhat khadu ka lam bakla ke jing long ka jing em ka jungki dala lam bakla ke jing em ka jungki kini ki samla ke dan ka por ba ki le ki kam ki bom sung tanat war ke mlang ka salang te na ka liang ka sang hi balengi wan ra ya kene ka ngelit pha ikni ke memorandum sak sarkar jela kalong ba sarkar jela ka lale klat ya kini ki ya kene ka lan hak bedip kun ka kam na ka tak samla ka jongi ya ki samla jongi phi dei ban shem ya ki jingkit khle ban pentip sak sarkar kene ka di jingkran bi jong ba prastun tang ka bom ngimla ban pediak kum kasak namar balai ngim dei kita ki nong trai jong labor department Labor department kadon yaki inspector ki badai banle check ya kini ki factory lani kini ki private sector bakin pet ba kejingwan ai kam ai jam kabyang em kat kum ki kandon jo labor department hanrai sei kini ki labor department inspector pat ki shong ki sit idle be hapo office jong ki sutai nak suki te kini ki nangila ale check hang thi tang ni hapo umyam mo ngilat taki hajar ngut kita khar ki bawan nabar te kai ke bas ngosi kalong ba kini ki private sectors pat ki bawan hapo ke jala ke jongi ki panan kam mi kini ki brio jongi tang ha ki kam ki ba ki ha ke ba mo lada philat hapo ki mil phinlap ba kini khna jongi ki dei tang kinong od ding ha bat kinong pentelun ding hanrai haki administrative wings ki imdan wairu ubayo ketika kam tengin pet private sector akan top lah buat ki pom ki eru mah tengin pet gini ki petrol pom kini ki petrol pom pin i haman lah ki pom pin i ba ki dan ki khalajat ki barjelah ki pendrung nong trai tangi ki katu kat ni ki kenthai kasi jongi ta hapo katu ka finance part ka bede begitu kam manager ai haman lagi pom pin i bagi dan bede ki khalajat balai ki kena jongi ki palong fit sa empat dan se ki become lani ki BSc science lani ki BE economics mo ki bala ban bat ya kani ka post jong kum ki manager hapo kini ki pomru te kai ka palong kalong ba ka sarkar hadu mentau pa presiden ukan taj buang ba kamdan kani ka unemployment issues hapo ka state hanrai ngi kum kinalam sang balang hadu ka skor jungi tentang langsung set kelut nomor ki samla ki ba phone ki badan sia Bangalore ki try ki kam hapo ki hospitality ki phone ki ong dalong penawat kam no sasor sa ni chanel arem pelat ngim yo kam ngim jang ki dan lagi paumat ki samla jungi sabar te hangi ki bayat kendu nilap ba kani ka employment issues lane employment problems ka jur ba hapo state ka jungi hanrai ka sarkar ni i ba kasi penlang ya kini ki isu sangkum ki isu kan bas election
ke MIOT International bat ke Bethany Hospital Shillong menta kata yo kala penlong ya ke jing ajing sumar ba shita yo ya ki pat ba ki badan jing pang hakish ing nadu khli hadu kijan haba pentip ru ba hakani ke jing ajing sumar an ailat ru ya ki pat ba bakin pendon kam ya ke MHIS card bakin am sham jing hakajing lut jing sem
Unong aktien jaga Bethany Hospital Shillong u Dr. Kentiu Langsan Miet habai keran baginong patai kubor. Ulong bagajing temu ban penlong ya gajing sumar ge bapang sieng nado ka khatwe terik hado ka khandro terik naitung arhajar arpuar. Kelong ban ailat dikinong pang bagin yo gajing sumar ke bapaka. Ulong bagi doktor jong ke MIOT International ken ajing sumar ki patba ki badan gajing pang haki sieng. Kum gajing bam syong bet ki sieng nado ka por bagidang red ne hagijing ja aksiden. Kiba mensau ke porele akai, kiba new tumor haki sieng bat kiba kibai. U Dr. Sanmiat ulaong bagi patba kiba wan negilong gieng kiba dok kila aban pak sumare la dia da kiba penon kam ya ka Megha Health Insurance Scheme card. Bat ki ortho specialist jong ka MIOT International kiba kentup u Dr. Ashok Selvaraj, bat Dr. Umesh Kumar Singh giloong bagi patba kiba negajing pang haki sieng kila ban penkot yaki la yo ekajing sumar ke bapaka. Bat ki badan ni kejing pang bon tumor ru la ban penkot yaki lada ki yo kejing sumar ke bamardor kilong bagi dan ki cap bagi brio haba ki kedia ne syong kenriang sieng kilit pa sumar shwa hakinong ai dawai kenbat ndai haba kim sngo yo jing yarap kilit pa sumar no hagi doktor bat kene kala penlong ki doktor ban syam jing ban sumar ki namar bakim yo ban sumar nado ke basdam.
But our primary focus is trauma patients because trauma patients are the main affected who have head injuries, they have fractures, they have abdominal injuries. So these patients need utmost care, and it's where, as in MIOT, we excel. So it's a hospital where we treat all these patients under one roof. We have super specialty care for them, and our idea is for them to restore them to the normal day-to-day life. Along with that, we give super specialty care in the form of knee replacement, complex spine surgeries where we correct their deformities. The scoliosis where the spine is deformed, where we correct it so that young girls who have spine deformity, because of that they can't go out, venture out. We correct that so that they have a good quality of life. And sports, we know in Meghalaya sports is very popular. We have sports injuries where they have ligament injuries, shoulder injuries, where we can reconstruct the ligaments, repair the ligaments arthroscopically, keyhole surgery, so that they can go back to the same level of playing, so that their career, sports career is not affected. Along with that, people who have pediatric deformities, pediatric injuries, pediatric deformities, we correct them so that they can have a normal childhood. And also, not the least, people who have unfortunately have bone tumors. People should know that bone tumors is not end of their world. We can still cure them, can do good surgeries, we can do appropriate surgery and with appropriate chemotherapy medicines, we can cure bone tumors and they can go back to their normal life. That's the main idea. So our idea is to give tertiary care to people all over India and also to people from all the countries who can access us. That's a prime. So in that vision, we are very happy to collaborate with Bethany Hospital that we will be providing our services here as well. Along with that, complex surgeries, we will be offering them to do it in Mayo hospitals.
Ini syukur dengan iyo kenompang dongkam ban syapur. Dekidon ke MHS card, ke MHS card kan cover ke kun ke package ke bakilaan. But dekidai bakidon ke tu ke MHS card ke bani ong ke SECC kategori, atau BPL kategori. Di kanu prosedur ke bani dia bat baik dia baik dawai baik doktor nadong sedong ke dari kelompok free.
Menteri Rang Ba Kejala Konrad Kongkal Sangma hakakat sang tarik unaitung arajar RPOR ula pelat pat ba yak integrated web portal jong ke Meghalaya State Public Services Delivery Commission ban pensuk yak pat ba hakaban tip yak jing syakri ke bedai ban ada ke sorkar syakipat nong song shunong. Katkum kene ke web portal kipat ba kilak ban yo hadu nyop ho artli kijat jing syakri kibahap le online ban kerpat ikibor kmi habadon kami kinu kijing syakri ban le ya ke e-payment bat kiwai ya ke ni ka web portal apen mi katkum ka Meghalaya Right to Public Service Act arajar arpo ha ka ba ka commission kala pentip ru bahkan sa penrung biang sa sispa prapo pratali kijat jing syakri ha ki sau bena ki banwan lengba ka ni ka portal Lapentep bayamenta kidon hadu prapon riu jat kijing syakri bala ai de kitanat baper ke jela katkum ke Meghalaya Right to Public Service Act arajar arpo hendrai nakini nyopo arteli kila trekam menta kat ba khat sau telipan ensala pan pentrekam hapo unai lur arajar arpo ar kapentep ru ba kijing syakri ke bakham he ka kentum ya kijing penrung kerteng ya kinong bela barjela kejing penthema ye ki license contractor katkum ka contract labor R&A Act bat kejing penthema ye ka registration katkum ka Meghalaya Shop and Establishment Act Loong ba kipat ba kilaban apply ye kini kejing syakri jong kitanat sorkar bat kidairu ban yo ikini kejing syakri katkum ka hok jongki hapo kapur ke badai balada ja ba kitanat kem ai setia ye kejing syakri lakentu ye kipat ba bakin bu da kejing ujor syaka commission kum ke second appellate authority.
So hence even individuals who are able to log on to the internet and do it at their own level or go to some centers or a cyber cafe or the mobile phone. So therefore, every mobile also is in fact a service center in one way. That's the whole idea, that this entire online services and this web portal we launched today is actually creating and making every mobile, every iPad, every computer into a service center. That's the whole idea. So therefore, the service centers that are there, the common service centers are obviously one of the ways. And if we definitely see that the requirement and the utility is growing and there is a need to expand that, definitely we can examine that also. But let us see how things progress, let us see how the work happens and the utility is there. And based on the situation, we will further examine. But as I said, the step today is to actually make every mobile a service center.
Hadian ars nem tam Mentah kesenem arajar arpuar la saki biang yeke khmat baput samrki jongki kun ki hajar jong kesenra jawai. Namar mentah kesenem kilayok banyashim benta shirhem ha ke jingle niam bedden klam klem kinu ki kendon. Bat kala long biang kum ha kesenem kiba menshwa. Haka jingle lum kubori kan dik jingle nyam haka sngi ka bakhat du ka balalong haka khat sau tarik menta unaitung arajar arpuar UPCN ulayo banyakren bat ki bupon ki riungat kan yam tri ki balapan paw ya ke jing song kemen hapadeng ka khmat ka ba ipo ipi.
Haki Arsenam balala, ikon ki hajar kesen rat jawai, kilado benishim bentah ke jingla aniam bedin kelam ke baju penong sisin cisnam. Namar ke jingwan dan shop ke kelam COVID-19. Haka bak sarkar kelap perking ya ke jingla 4 ba ban khanglat ya ke jingi bed nunuk yang jingpang. Hendrai meta kesenam ar hajar arpuar hakni ketayo balala, ikon ki hajar kesen rat jawai, hadian pelat Arsenam kenti kilayo alat biang benishim bentah hakle aniam bedin kelam ke belalong haki lai singilenter. Bat ke bahaya dua kedai haga sengi ke bakat dua kata haga kat sau terek mentau naitung. Kumba julong malagasnam. Hagasngi ke bakat doe ke jinglaan yam ke bahe ado ke day bed haat nar jawai. Hagaba shwa ban poi ke knong blai bat kirot rengkat kirang bak le yam. Hagani ke kenti gladan kat lai teli kirot baro bat menta kesnam lawan neshim bentalang ru da ke seng khasi seng kemia nashilong. Ke balong ru kum shibenta ke jingra ke ya ke jingdap sanpo snam ke jingyo jela bapura ke Meghalaya bat nyup san snam ke jingyo lanjut ke India. Hagane kelompong haat nar hajawai, ka kanhun UPCN kelayoru menekran kelumlang yang kikon kesenrat kentuk biginong yalam, kisamla, kidopat ba, kebelapan pau kejengkiman shisha bagi layok bani shimbentah kena kejenglaan yam kumba kedepan long, kumba lalam kemat do menberim. Dan nepring jeki kebelapan pau bagi jengyo alat jengki bani shimbentah pat ba akum ni, kadi namar kejeng sengap utrai nong bu orang tau ban be no Afrika kelam.
Te hak jing dai bat ka jing do Arslam hadian ka jing wan penwit jong ka pandemic kalong sisya ka jing do ka bakraw ya ki pai ki phlang ki bani shimbenta nrai hau no sem ngi ba kalong ka jing shimbenta jong ki nong shong shnong ki khon jong ka niam tre kalong ka bashit raham do kata na do ki samla ki rangba at kum joro ki thai ki samla ki yo ban mi kum chigine ki jaka ki balong la Arslam ki yo chuban poi kat no ke long ke jing internet kalong ke jing snow sngany kum ginong yalam jong keseng ni i bagi kon jong ke niam tri ki ami lang ha kene kesen ka ba mdon shot tharai ki bandon chi yeng kisem lain no satang ki to ki rangba dan ne ki temen ki bamla sho ban poi kini ke jaga ke jing fer kalong bak la bak ha ki pon menswa ke ba ha ki snem Arslam ke badan ke don ke pandemic kalong ba wat kinong simenta ha ke ban pendep gini amro ni haban follow up ya ke protokol kumba ai ke government hadin nang tangi ipat mentau snem kalong ka pher ba namar bagi briu kala yo ban simenta kila yo ban shat kila ban yu kalong ke jinge pher kalong bak war hado ke ban pendep ki kinya ki kriam ro hagi por pandemic kelong de kumto ba mla ba social distance ni haban maintain han menta patem don so kita kala pher
hagni kisi ke bakat do jong kele niam bedin klam Awan sakilang ru daki kenrem kilendan, kentup nadu Chief Justice ka Meghalaya High Court, Director General ki Pulit, ka Chief Secretary ke Jela, UMP ka Raja Sabha, bat ki Menteri Sarkar.
Mentah Husnem ngila sengau kum bekerja beneng. Balak yo kum ba mensua. Ki baro kale niam le rekom ka kejing mi nak situation ni kejing penbiang hayeng hasem nedok kan niam yo yeng mo hadok ha niam karai la yo ban attend lut baro ki program ki sengau kum ba utare kirat kanrat udan lang dan lang bat ngi la yo sisa kata kejing kerku Uneu senam hingila ngesngau bangila dan bak sisa tingi kami nanti bahagi senam ki banban ya kane ka klam be hino syo sabakot kasngi bangin ya kum ne ba iman kasnem kum bahikai ki barem bejai
Adin atsnem bangi yo ban shimbenta hakane ka lempung beding klamba dangi kim gi kon samlang ngisngau sukata kamense namar ngi yo biang ban sedang gi kane ka le nem beding klam jangi kum bangi jule man laus nam hashwa gine gi atsnem
kajing sneu ko jongi kalong ngingai skem ba lemba ka jingkerpan ya utrikira kendra da gine gi snem asnem menswa adien ke jingwan jong kani ka klam ngai iba ki ba ngipan no u ba ngin laj ya ka mentau snem ngiyo biang ya kani ka be ning klam kat kum ka jing kai jong gilang shwa man shwa ngidap de kemensin ka bas ngau kemen do kata-kata ka ba ni don ka jing shine hu bat ya ka jing yilam lenti jong u yingi ki kon jong nyam tre
Ingin lah berok pasang kata pada dap dekat jing sokmen, ba neduk ki kena haduk ki long kimi ki rangba je bela cross secondary post nem ru long kilayo ban je menta, ya kamtam kini ke asnem, menta ingin si haba ki jing jonga, ba kini ki kena ki badan bo san nem ru nem ki payo ban je menta ma, ni ki kampai slowly ban pelai ki. Andre kini ke asnem te kelong ke he kini ke asnem, temtau asnem ni iba ketika kena ke ba khala asnem ni ke songset ba mentau asnem. Temdai tangkatan kalong ga jengek jengi kalong naduk kini ki bu ni orang kau besar jengi kini leyeng lesem nak kejong kokor kejai nang ta berok hi ga jenglek nyam jengi menta kapuk kapeng ba. Te kapani ba naduk ki blai ki sim naduk try kan rat ba khe tamru kalong kia Kemenut ia kini ka jeng long mengiyo biang ban sedang ko makalong normal ko long mapi. Te hakini kisngi ru nado kasngi kharwei khalar khalai ru ngilai ibha ka jeng songsit bha. Ka pinpei tan ka face ka khmat jang kiru ki basi menta ki kemen bha. Te bat ibana ba long iba ki bon bha menta. Tende wala kanta ru hakite ki asnem lada gadan ka restriction ka government ru ande kicikle nyam pende ki yai baik pada beroi.
Ingin sengau pendah nama bangila nismah aslam ngila dok ki egi ba kijing sengau bah kijing secha kum ke bangila sebut kenong nangta kijing lek tekai sini citai kijing pengkrek yang senro kelak duna benai bam yakini kiba laklat ro lak dok te mentang aslam sengau tenat bah
Haden aslam bala balat katoka pandemik ma ni sngau kumba long kamen ma haga jing im jongi namar bangam yim jujia haga jing im jongi kum kane ka pandemik nang tang sngau ba nging ai ngo yo try kan ran ba un kerku kerdo ya barok gi kon kan yam tri kum jo ye ki bai ban yo ban daga shai ka klein ban kumba ngi ai ngo ai den
Kowi senyap sup dia ke lek biang ye keniam kom kat kam to lek gi dab de ji senyap sup senyap kemen kam tam malan to presiden yang sain raj hajo ipor to perlok ye mia tam hajo ipure langi hai por ye lai pure kat kini to kowi kwa kam ong fi penek pesak ye geruti ke dustur kwa ye kejat benru de tip hi de tip ye kejat benru kam geruti ke dustur ka ngayu luti kini yai nek ko ha ko penek pesak ye geruti ke dustur yang ikam kejat benru kencing keputu yang gelek nem tok be deng kelam kamu man kat ni ke kelam kamu pita sedang go duna sedang tu dang penyo la ninga kamu wa chit kesni bo hai jung duai pan yo lop u slap yo slap dang khana ngai ja kini ke kelam le kamu ju ke be ne swa wa mo ko be ki ka kini le jan de poi por kut kini ke kelam
Te paralok da kitu ki khubor ngi la poish ka bakut jong ka thup khubor jong i menta ka tayo ngin se shambyang bat phi la sham tayo khublai shibu